In this short passage from Through the Gates of the Silver Key by H.P. Lovecraft, it is described a very imaginative, yet almost quantum concept of human life and its multiplicity also happening simultaneously. In this story, the character Randolph Carter has a silver key that helps him travel not just through dream worlds, but through gateways of consciousness. The passage reads, "He was in many places at the same time. On Earth, on October 7, 1883, a little boy named Randolph Carter was leaving the snake den in the hushed evening light and running down the rocky slope and through the twisted orchard toward his Uncle Christopher's house in the hills beyond Arkham. Yet at the same moment, which was also somehow in the earthly year of 1928, a vague shadow not less Randolph Carter was sitting on a pedestal among the ancient ones in Earth's transdimensional extension. Here too was a third Randolph Carter in the unknown and formless cosmic abyss beyond the ultimate gate, and elsewhere in a chaos of scenes whose infinite multiplicity and monstrous diversity brought him close to the brink of madness, where a limitless confusion of beings which he knew were as much himself as a local manifestation now beyond the ultimate gate. There were Carters in settings beyond and belonging to every known and suspected age of Earth's history, and to remoter ages of earthly entity transcending knowledge, suspicion, and credibility. Carters of forms both human and non-human, vertebrate and invertebrate, conscious and mindless, animal and vegetable, and more. There were Carters having nothing in common with earthly life, but moving outrageously amidst backgrounds of other planets and systems and galaxies and cosmic continua, spores of eternal life drifting from world to world, universe to universe, yet all equally himself. Some of the glimpses recalled dreams, both faint and vivid, single and persistent, which he had had through the long years since he first began to dream. And a few possessed a haunting, fascinating, and almost horrible familiarity with no earthly logic could explain. Faced with this realization, Randolph Carter reeled in the clutch of supreme horror such as had not been hinted even at the climax of that hideous night when two had ventured into an ancient and abhorred necropolis under a waning moon, and only one had emerged. No death, no doom, no anguish can arouse the surpassing despair which flows from loss of identity. Merging with nothingness is peaceful oblivion. But to be aware of existence and yet to know that one is no longer a definite being distinguished from other beings, that one no longer has a self, that is the nameless summit of agony and dread.